community member of mine asked me to check out this Apple App Store app called MeMiner, and I have to say it has the most potential of pretty much any app that you can find on the Apple App Store. And it's pretty much a clone of the Android app Block Mining Miner, which I've already made an early review on. It has low risk promotional deals, it has low withdrawal minimums, and 0 fees. So, there's not much on the Apple App Store, so this actually has potential compared to most. And we can start with the free options. So every day you can log in and it'll give you some free gigahash per second. This isn't a lot, but it's completely free. All you have to do is come in, sign in, and you'll get a little bit of free Bitcoin. Now, this resets at 4 p.m. on Pacific Standard Time. I'm in California, so you can figure out the time zone from that. But even when you're watching ads, so say you watch an ad, at 10 o'clock at night, it's not going to run for 24 hours. It's going to reset at 4 p.m. Pacific Time no matter what. And if you watch all 30 ads, you'll earn about 7 sats per day. It's 5.6 gigahash per second. But remember, this 7 sats per day is as if you watch these ads at 4 p.m. If you watch them any later, you'll get less than 7. But the main reason I wanted to show this off early is that they have these $3 miners, which is actually a pretty decent deal. Now, I've only had this app for a few days, so I'm not going to go over all the investment options until we have some more trust with this app. I have done a withdrawal, which I'll show you in a minute, but you can see the $3 miner will earn you at least $2.23 a day as long as Bitcoin stays above 90,000, and it'll earn you over 200% APR if Bitcoin hits 200,000 over a year. And I've been able to buy this package twice. I don't know if I'll buy it over and over again, but $3 isn't too bad. It's a small investment, and I feel like I can afford to lose that. But in a month or so, once I have some more trust with this app and I make a bigger withdrawal, I'll make a full review and go over every single miner and all the investment stats. So next I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to withdraw your funds to a speed wallet. And you can see in my case, I just had 27 sats, but the minimum was 20, so I figured this is worth showing off. So in your speed wallet, you're going to click receive, and then in amount, I'm going to put 27 for 27 sats, real quick. And then I'm going to copy my address. Next, in the earnings tab of MeMiner, I'm going to click redeem. Next, I'm going to click Lightning. The only wallet it actually gives you is the speed wallet, but for my amount, I'm going to put 0.0000027 for 27 sats, and then I'm going to paste my address into invoice and click redeem. And there it is. It should be my wallet pretty soon. And a couple hours later, the Satoshis were sent directly to my speed wallet. So there's no referrals or anything with this app. It's a pretty basic Bitcoin mining app, but considering the options we have for Apple, I'm glad we do have this option. And like I said before, I'll be back in about a month or so with a full review, and if there's any major updates on the app, I'll report that as well. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And if you find value in these videos, I have memberships available for 99 cents a month. You get these videos out a little earlier. I don't take any sponsorships for any of these cloud mining apps, so these videos are completely unbiased. So when you do buy a membership, just know that it means a lot and you really are supporting the channel a ton. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.